Health is not everything, but everything else is nothing without health.
Here in Canada, we are fortunate enough to have access to proper health care. Citizens are able to overcome various medical conditions.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm in grade 11, and I'm here to talk about my experience with cancer and the treatment that I received that allowed me to get better. When I was 14, I had a random seizure at my first and last day of lifeguard training. I had 2 more seizures in the next month and a half, which led to the discovery that I had a lesion on the right side of my brain. A biopsy revealed that the lesion was a tumor and that it was cancerous. It was decided that I needed brain surgery to remove the tumor. I was sent to Edmonton, where one of the top neurosurgeons in North America successfully removed the tumor. I came back home to Regina, where I started radiation for 2.5 months and then chemo for the next year. Cancer was completely gone 2 weeks before my 16th birthday. I am so thankful that I was able to get the treatment that I needed and that no one ever led me to believe that I wouldn't be able to get better. Some people in the world don't get this. All that cancer took away from me was mobility in my left hand and hair on the right side of my head. Both of those have come back and don't affect my daily life. I got the chance to prove how tough I was and to start living my life again. Some people in the world aren't that lucky.
Hi, I'm Vicky.
Vicky was born with Down syndrome, but she is a wonderful example of how in Canada we see disabilities as abilities. Vicky has learned how to cope with her condition, both mentally and physically. She has had to go through a couple surgeries for her hips and knees, which has given her the ability to live a normal life. With the proper medically trained doctors here in Canada, Vicky is able to perform everyday activities. They have given her a life that someone with Down syndrome in rural India most likely wouldn't have access to.
She's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bluest sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I'd stare too long, I'd probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Of a warm, safe place where as a child I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. She's got eyes of the bluest sky, as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Oh, 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 oh.
Imagine if you took away
Hannah's surgeries, radiation and chemotherapy, Vicky's surgeries and medical support system, and Chloe's glucose monitor, insulin, and service dog.
That's the reality for people living in rural India. Even though it's not a problem in Canada, it doesn't mean it's not our problem. So lend a helping hand. Anything could happen.
Anything could happen. Anything could happen.